In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry in your accounting software efficiently and accurately, ensuring your financial records are well maintained and up to date. This is a crucial task for keeping your books balanced, so let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the plus new button within your accounting application. This button is typically located on your dashboard or main navigation area. Clicking on Plus New opens a variety of transaction options. From this menu, select Journal Entry. This action will direct you to a fresh journal entry form where we will start inputting our data. The interface for creating a journal entry might seem a little daunting at first, especially if you're new to bookkeeping, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Now that you're on the journal entry form, your primary objective is to record the debit and credit lines accurately. Let's start with the debit line. In basic accounting, debits increase asset or expense accounts and decrease liability or equity accounts. In the first row, enter the appropriate account name under the account column, then move over to the debits column and input the amount you wish to debit. Remember, each journal entry will typically have at least one debit and one credit to maintain the balance. Always double check to ensure you're using the correct account to avoid errors in your financial records. Once you have your debit line entered, you'll need to mirror this effort with a credit line. Opposite to debits, credits increase liability, income, or equity accounts and decrease asset or expense accounts. Select the corresponding account in the account column for the credit line. Then in the credits column, input the exact amount you credited. Balancing your credits and debits is fundamental. This ensures the legitimacy of your financial data and supports the integrity of your reports. Before moving on, take a moment to ensure that the total amounts of your debits and credits are equal. This is the essence of the double entry accounting system. It helps ensure everything balances correctly. If there's an imbalance, it might indicate an entry issue which should be corrected before proceeding. With the debits and credits accurately entered and balanced, you're ready for the final step, saving your journal entry. Look for the Save button, which is often prominently displayed toward the bottom or top of the form. By clicking Save, you commit your entry to your financial records. Double check all entries for errors before saving, as this button finalizes the modifications. And there you have it, a successfully created journal entry. This task is a fundamental part of maintaining accurate financial records, so practicing meticulous attention to detail is vital. Thanks for tuning in, and continue to perfect your accounting skills by following further tutorials.